Are you gonna hug the teddy bear? Oh my goodness! Look at you hugging that teddy bear. You gonna tell the teddy bear you love him? You gonna tell him you love him? Is he heavy? No, not heavy? You're cute. You're sweating? He is too? He fell on you. Where's Mackenzie? There she is! Peekaboo! You're so crazy. You're so crazy. What is he doing? He's sleeping? What are you doing? Is he huge? He's little? Who got me that? Who bought me that? Can you tell me who bought me that? Mackenzie. Who bought me that?
Ice cream.
No, Josh bought me it. Can you say Josh bought me it? What did you say? Who bought me it?
Josh.
Do you like Josh?
Yeah.
You like Josh?
Because it, but well.
So you like Josh?
She's not nice. She's crying.
He's crying?
Yes.
Why is he crying?
I over there and got him too. Look. You guys just told me. Okay. I just taking you.
He's got big legs, eh?
Yeah. Come on there, sweetie.
You call him sweetheart? Who's that? Who is it? It's Oreo. Oreo. What a crazy kitty, eh? Did he fall off the bed?
Yeah, and fall out of the blanket.
Hey, Mackenzie. Mackenzie. Hey, you. Mackenzie, get over here. Stop kissing the bed. You crazy girl. Hey, look at me. Mackenzie, look at me. I love you. Say it back. Oh, you don't love me? Well, then say it. Okay, thank you. I love you more.